Hey guys, Jan here, codingwithjan.com. So, Shopify just released its AI Toolkit, which is a collection of around 20 skills that turn any AI into a real Shopify developer. It has instructions on how to work with the CLI, helps your agent scan the live documentation to reduce mistakes, and can even help you make extensive changes on a store by executing API commands. You can find all these skills in the official repository, and if you've already tried the toolkit, have questions or feedback, let me know in the comments, then I will forward this to the official product team at Shopify. Cool, so then let me also show you what some of these skills here entail, the most important ones, so you know what's up. First, we have Shopify Onboarding Developer. This helps you scaffold a new theme project or app project, and it also helps you set up a partner account or development store if you don't have any yet. Shopify Onboarding Merchant is also interesting because this skill helps you migrate to Shopify from any other e-commerce platform. So it helps with exporting and importing products, setting up the store. And this is also interesting because I'm not even entirely sure if this is purely meant for developers to use or if Shopify also wants merchants to use these tools and just create capabilities for them. I'll keep an eye on that. Next, we also have skills that help you run a Shopify store, like Shopify Custom Data, which helps you create meta fields and meta objects if you need to store additional product information, for example. Or Shopify Admin, which is extremely powerful because this teaches your agent to use the Shopify Admin API. And using the Admin API, you can do anything on a store. Like you can bulk update products, bulk update meta fields, delete products. So even stuff that Sidekick would refuse to do. But then also with great power comes great responsibility. So be cautious with this because it lets you do anything, but also destroy everything if you want. Then we also have some skills related to theme development and building storefronts, like Shopify Liquid, Hydrogen, Storefront GraphQL API. And I haven't tested the Hydrogen skills yet, but when it comes to theme development, I don't find Claude doing many mistakes. So I'm not sure how useful the Liquid skill is, for example. It probably doesn't hurt to have. But yeah, here I already have my own workflows, analyzing the existing theme, reusing components, and I don't have much trouble with that. On the other side, we also have a lot of skills for building apps. So this contains things like Shopify functions, Polaris components, checkout UI extensions, admin UI extensions, one for every surface pretty much. And I feel that's a lot more interesting and also a lot more useful because in terms of app development, APIs are changing frequently. There are more updates being rolled out, new features being released. So I feel this is very useful to stay up to date and always use the latest standards. And then there's even one skill that helps you review your own app on whether it would pass the official App Store requirements. So then you don't end up in so many feedback cycles and can just get the app live sooner. The last skill we then have falls in the category of agentic commerce. So it's related to Shopify's UCP, the Unified Commerce Protocol, if you want to build agentic experiences or have shopping agents that can add products to cart or even make purchases on someone's behalf. All right, so then how do we get started using the AI Toolkit? It's as easy as could be. Shopify bundled this into an official plugin. So yeah, with all the major AIs, it works out of the box. You can just copy this command here. Hey, Claude, install the following plugin. You can also download the individual skills if you're just interested in one. But a plugin in general might bundle several skills and then also MCP server configuration. For example, looking up the official documentation uses an MCP server. So I wouldn't bother and just install the whole plugin. And then honestly, you don't even need to do anything. It just sits in your Claude directory and then Claude can pull the right skills on demand as you describe the tasks that you're working on. All right, and that's it for this one. I won't make this longer than needed. Now you know what the AI Toolkit is and what kind of skills it contains, as well as how you can get started using it. Developers in my community have already been using it to manage large catalogs, like 10,000 plus products, upload product data, even if it was, let's say, not properly formatted, random Google Drive folder, let Claude download the assets, format everything, and then upload it via the API, or also to create stores from scratch. So yeah, just try it out. It will make you more productive, and I think you will enjoy it. If you want to be around other developers building with AI, direct support from me, the best workflows, you know where to find that, link in the description. I would love to work together. And if you got questions, comment section. And I think that's it. Have an amazing rest of your day. I'll catch you next. Bye.